Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know when you're gonna see this video, but what's good? We're back with another one. So right now I'm about to install some initial coils for the Evo. Hopefully this works. We're gonna pray. I'm gonna get an oil change as well, and also get some gas because it's low on gas there. But yeah, so we're gonna do the damn thing, man. These freaking coils, bro. Let me show you. These little things right here. These things. That take 5 minutes to put in. Bro, Mitsubishi, why is this thing so expensive, bruh? I'm gonna need you to level up, bruh. Jeez. Alright, let's go do the damn thing. Alright, so those of you who don't know, these are initial coils right here. You're gonna take these things off forward. Oh, I only got 3 ones, so I'm taking these 3 off and then replace them and see if it does anything. Hopefully it gets our car nice and back to being healthy. So we'll see, y'all. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to do a how-to video. I mean, you can just YouTube all that. It's pretty easy. So I'll get back with you guys when I'm done. Alright, fam, it's the moment of truth. I just finished installing the initial coils. I'm about to start it, and hopefully the check engine guy goes away. Let's see together. Alright, let's join in neutral. Oh, it did not go away. It is still there. God damn it. Damn it. God damn it. Well, I guess the shit continues. Definitely gonna get a compression test. Next would be filling. That's the only thing really that's those 2 things. Hopefully I pass the compression test. If not, then it's over. But yeah, fam, I'm gonna check in with you later. So yeah, people, it has dawned upon me that I have to reset the check engine light for it to go off, or to really see. But so far, it's driving pretty nice. No hiccups. Everything, my air fuel ratio seems to be reading a lot better too. It's not so bouncy, so I think it really was the coils. Hopefully, I am good. We'll see. I'll still keep you guys posted, but I literally just did a hit, and when I mean a hit, I mean I went kind of fast, and it was fine. It was kind of scared the shit out of me. I forgot how fast this car is, but yeah. So I think we're good. Keep me posted. See ya. Such a coy. This is your second ride in the Evo. How you feel?
Feel pretty good.
Pretty good. Is it fast?
Yo, it's really fast.
You want to learn how to drive it one day?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Say what's up to the people, man.
What's up, vlog?
Oh, what's up, sir? Shout out to your daddy.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to your family. And we out, man. We just got done working out. I'm sweaty, hot. And yeah, man. I'm about to give y'all a little rev, though. You want to rev it?
Yeah.
All right, come on. But when I tell you to rev it, just mash it, okay? All right. You ain't got to hold the wheel like that. All right, go ahead. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Oh, I forgot about that. Alright, yo, we out. Oh, yeah. No check engine light. Would you look at that? It turned off by itself. Alright. We out of here.
could. watching go.